Jambo, have you watched the episode on beekeeping and learned that a dirtier beehive is not suitable for the bees? Now watch this episode and see how amazing this beehive looks like. Thank you.
Hi farmers, my name is Daniel Wanyama from Isinyaavoca Nurseries. In Isinyaavoca Nurseries, we deal with many products, but majorly we have concentrated to avocado farming. And in 2017, we extended our boundary by venturing into beekeeping because there is a correlationship between avocado farming and beekeeping. The avocado farming we are dealing with is Hass avocado, and we are selling the quality original Hass avocado, which is 1 year old. And apart from that one, we are also doing Fuerte avocado. Fuerte avocado, if you are doing Hass avocado, you need 10% of Fuerte avocado so that it can assist the Hass avocado with the texture and the sweetness of the avocado. Isinyaavoca Nurseries is located in Kajiado County, Isinya Town, and also we have another branch in Molo. We also have another branch in Mulot and Laikipia. Thank you.
Okay, now you can showcase your products onto us, the ones that you came with.
Very strong. So, this is Hass avocado. You can see the quality is good.
And the prices of
the price is 450 per seedling.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now next, okay.
This is the beehive. This is a complete beehive. It is called landscape beehive. It has a brother, super, queen exploder, and this one. Yeah. You can see our beehive is the modern one. It already has artificial wax, so it is very expensive, but it is good because you can harvest like 4 to 6 times a year.
How much is this beehive?
We are selling at 11,500.
Is there any discounts to those who buy maybe bulk?
Yes, we always give discount to those who buy more than 10. And also we have a contract with farmers who are buying more than 10. We will be giving them market. Yeah.
And harvesting.
Yeah.
Do you assist in harvesting of the...
Yes. If we enter into a contract farming, we are the one who will come and harvest from the farmers, because we don't want farmers to harvest then they add water or something. As you know, some farmers you see they are not predictable. So we always come to harvest by ourselves, because most of the honey we are exporting outside the country. You can see our brand, Smile Honey, the code and everything, caps. And so most of the honey we are exporting outside the country.
So what is the price of this honey that you have?
We are selling at 800 shillings, 540 grams.
Yeah, that is good. And okay. How much do you buy from the farmer?
From the farmer, we are buying currently at 600 shillings per kg. But we don't, we harvest everything. So we weigh as when it has the wax, propolis and everything. We weigh that and give the farmer 600 shillings. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. We would like you to give us your contact so that we can get you easily.
So this is our contact.
And you can hear the things which are coming out are very, very beautiful.